Isaac, Aquaba to Has TV.
Okay.
Sunday, Super Clash, any Asante Kotoko. Preparations for the game to saying so far.
The Yamiasi. Wow, out music preparation very cool. Wow, Amboa, any coaches in my colleagues, yeah, wow, music very cool. Yeah, and I boy so that intimate. Near trying to say that Yamboa Sunday in Bidru. It drew so a ground form. Shebranding crabby and a vetchy.
A grown form, pressure Damoswana.
Pressure the be in dice. Yeah, if you say, near my from training I have from it means a Yamboa Sunday the obsession when yam and Empire Ebo and I say a dark Yamboa Sunday the bedroom yet me a grown abasso.
The Sunday, then up as all catch a fans no.
Near bet me a can cacran say a dark Yamboa Sunday. Oman for Munyam new Mutumi Metayachi. If you say, Sir, boy, ready. The fans want me and bar, and as a fans and bar, you need a beer, and the strong as a woman when couldn't be metachi. Yamipa couldn't be beating from Maba.
Okay, Isaac, that's it.
That's where I was.
Matches to me call so much day 13. Once me no case Lions na that league in Australia. Na Omako 6 games without conceding a goal.
Okay.
Last season after match day 13, na Lions in that relegation zone, number that 18th place. And to be beer to Mrs. Sam. And actually in the league now very competitive. Once you Kotoko baby omo meet me still baby omo na. And as a house lose so based on baby omo no message na wa. And it is not good for the
Tuna Kotoko winning so they will be up.
Yes,
ahead of
around 6th place. House winning obeko 1 up pe. Because you see our 19 we winning obeba better 22. So obeba just 1 up. Kotoko so winning obeba around 6th place. So very key. We winning obeko ahead of House of
yeah.
Because House of 19 no 18. Into obeko kodano so a man here very competitive but yenhwe ade ba ko na yeah analysis wo ho ayehwe the two coaches are almost into the game. Now when him say in the Premier League, Dr. Prosper Natiogum Olusu to how to focus as Kotoko head coach.
Okay.
We about 4 matches as Kotoko head coach in the Premier League against us. We winning emu miensa and na we draw back on. In 2021-22, that was his debut season for a year Kumasa Asante Kotoko. First leg Obo draw. Second leg she has Frankie Tugambella from the Sport El Babara Sports. Yeah. Last season I recorded back-to-back victory against Hatofuk. Premier League moti. About 3 matches there and the last 2 games no she has Hatofuk. Now there's someone here Jinkwa say last season Abubakar Watara be take over. Obabe so team no mono. Oni ni kushia second round. Manage 2-0. Now Osha records are Dr. Kita against us in the Premier League. Excellent. But Osha goal scoring as Kotoko head coach Dr. Prosper Nateguma was 6 against us. He moved 5 foreigners next year.
Okay.
Inti Osha last season Steve Mukwala DC enya move 4. And a year last 2 seasons take you over and Bella nya 1. A year 5. And Isaac Opon
only Ghanaian.
The only Ghanaian Washaman.
This time with the Abetamu never.
Abet never, but a lot of responsibilities will be on the foreigner. Because the records just say no she has most opportunities in the top at the foreigners.
Okay.
And this time around a short stopper and a backo
defender.
A winger, Fernando Wisdom Bassi going into the game. But going to the game, Dr. El Koni 81st Premier League game. So far as Kotoko head coach Wabo
Samba Weneo.
Yeah, Samba, yeah, no me can.
Yes,
Samba, the defender.
Okay. Now, Okomunswa Oshe a year Dr. Prosper Natoguma going to the game in his 81st Premier League game as Kotoko head coach. So far from 2021 last season, this season, Odike Kambo about 80 games. And then won the 81st Premier League game as Kotoko head coach.
Okay.
We win him 38. Na wa draw mu 20 and we lose 22. We share 93 goals and we concede 58. Into a banning records as Kotoko coach and no they go into the game. Then you pick Hatofuk. Watara won the 30th Premier League game as Hatofuk head coach. So far about 29 matches. we share 12 goals. We draw 7. We win 12. We draw 7. We lose 10. We share a total of 31 goals and we concede 25 prior to the game. Enti emani ni kapa. Now, if you are once this season, omuni na mo ahonde no, same.
Yeah.
Because in 12 matches, 5-5 wins, but maybe a difference once a has a draw 4, Kotoko draw 3, and a Kotoko lose 4, and a has a lose 3, and a Kotoko share 10 goals, we conceded 9, showing clearly say defense, you know, a bit of challenge in terms of goals conceding rate, you know, and attack and yes she saying how to full. Then has actually 9, I conceded 6. Now you share analysis about goal scoring and goals conceding. How able to me how permutations ni bit me akọ. As to minute ben and a Kotoko bit me a share and a minute ben and a has
very key.
Very key. Now, Osho Mumi, you know, I say Kotoko Ashe 10. 10 now Ashe no conceding number. And starting with Kotoko goal scoring. In the first half, Ashe 5, second half, Ashe 5. Into about the possibility say Kotoko Ebeshi goa obitimi Ashe in the first half, obitimi Ashe in the second half. But in terms of goals conceding, no, we are conceding 5 in the first half, and we are conceding 4
in the second
half. And also, Osakuta the same record. So obitimi Ashe in the first half. Now Asanso Aiden Ashe in the second half. But Adeba could be our more records more you. Kotoko conceding the first half Olusu game. And a typical matches are more I'm conceding the first half of Meluna against Nations FC. I'm conceding the 30th minute and 45 minutes. Lusu fixture now against Bechem Kofi Tompo 27th minute. Oshe Kotoko Lusu game now against Heart of Lions Obin Junior 28 minutes. Lusu game now against Legon Cities. I'm conceding first goal no on 23rd minute. Lusu game and Kotoko former matches are conceding the first half piano. Sa game no lose. Unless say we are conceding in the second half and say na we want to make me a pick a point. But in the first half, to me win game no. Now to their opponent, Omashe 9 and concede this 9 no Omashe no. Omashe 2 in the first half. But 2 no Omashe in the first half no. Last 2 games. The possibilities of me I should be no. Was true because the Omashe 2 in the first half, but it has happened in their last 2 fixtures, and that is fixture against Karela United and last game against Instructorman FC. So and they're likely to miss it. Then in terms of goals conceding, no Omashe 2 in the first half, and Soma conceded 2 in the first half, and conceded 4 in the second half. Kumasa Asante Kotoko so she goals. Second half pa into a game no and so ni kapa but adeba kwa made bet ka ho say Oshe Kotoko last 11 home games amabo against Heart of Oak has home in the Premier League has a winning 2 in 2010 2011 2015 and the last time I had to Oak win a Premier League game against Kumasa Asante Kotoko no 2015. It means 9 years down. 2080 say I'm check Razak. League ni truncated. Nti say dey bia ye ka say 2019 2020 truncated league Kotoko share has 2-1. League ko share second good but because you are truncating you know you picking history ba na ye ni efim nti official games no 2015. So the last we in 2015 mo win it will be very difficult prior to the game. The 2 players I share game no mo Hamza Issa any Abet Amo 2 key players. Once Hamza Issa per se 2 ball no na only a defenders play no cover. Then Abet Amo wants to hold on the ball. No adiko. So example Kotoko Baseke Holy Stars. Abet Fabon from the right side. Upuli ball na the 18-yard box share. And that is the quality Okita. Then Hamza wants to pick the balls, lose balls, no the America. That will be the strength of our
Benjamin Asari.
And Benjamin, once the last season, one of the key challenges I had in goalkeeping. Yeah. Both women are against Kotoko. Christine Ketiamo challenges a rich one challenge, but this time improved in terms of goalkeeping, and I'm hoping say and they both sides need my end-to-end action. We'll have to see more of Mohamed Kamara. Was the last game on Kotoko Boy against Adriana? He was on top form. Prior to that game, now all struggle kakra. So we expect to see more from him.
Okay, Shaban and Moten and Canon, be white in so the ever cause and we are born as in so better and ourselves because on Sunny money bantino and they say we are born the basin or the Bema and then so beton so the basin to the Bemana and so 15th December no so be or bet media amount be white.
Yeah.
Good morning.
Yeah, morning.
Oh, dear, me Judy pa, me Judy, and then because and then so better and I say we have a one. I say
the only time Minica more Heart of Lions about. Also, the last time a Lions better Ghana League first, a year 2009-2010 league season at Ghana GM. It's our race, you know. It was against Asante Good. We da now we are better. We da now until say Ghana starts before. So 15 years. Omataba as at week 7, week 8, week 9 now omo compete to first round, second round near there. Enti mami mo mabaso. And the omni say Kotoko has 209 matches in all since 54. But the woman say league matches no about 116 league matches. Sa games no mabono goals about Babanyara Sports Stadium. Unze yesi Kumasi Stadium no 59 Kotoko has ball Justin Park 58 Justin Park 1960 and almost see a kind of kind. Emma Kotoko has 3-1 the first player or two at night delayed Babanyara and Edin as other park and so and 116 goals and Abba 116 matches and Omabo in a league game league matches effect from 58 the woman has a share Kotoko and Prema Kumakwa Diasan 38 Kotoko a share 39 matches but say what the 89 and 10 a year penalty shootout for bonus points ebaya sa match krona so na yede cap wasiso sa game krona so na match day 13 outstanding league match na first round and 24th April ena eba se yamebo sa match ni mfamfiri wo ni entoa so ena Kotoko ne has ebesi akan wa Accra Sports Stadium 2-2 ena Kotoko de penalty shootouts eje cap no wo de kan ho de a Kotoko race no be 40 drawn games ni 39 but say ofa no Kotoko win na drawn games be about 38 so anyame pa officially 90 minutes of action 39 drawn games 38 for us so unless us say be square ebe Kotoko wins 39 has 39 drawn game 39 Kumasi hostu Kotoko ne has all the has home game omo de eba na 52 occasions effect from 1960 Kotoko ase has mako 20 has ase Kotoko Kumasi Sports Stadium 14 drawn games enti the woman is bragging right or say krum no eye Kotoko esa say na 18 na last year Kotoko has back to back in Osekrum so see am no ka say the Kotoko 20 has 14 drawn games so you has supporter tiere pa mame the last 6 league matches has abon Osekrum say has say wo amakom post na the last 6 has are yet to win a league match see pass na has e chichire amakom a body bass kwa has e lusu miensa o ma draw miensa the last time has say wo amakom winning league game Osekrum pa kwasi Fabian edo mo ba 2010 beating Kotoko 1-0 that occasion and see the last time has a buy no 6 occasions has about choose wo amakombia has in say tie we pa o ye Kotoko supporter we match day 13 since of league fixtures ba 58 almost year mako 5 out of 5 day 13 matches no has a year to beat Kotoko asem 2 drawn games and about day 13 but the only day 13 a PM Kumasi Sports Stadium 2003 ma day 12 day one say Kotoko Kobuna half for share be Bofakota no 2-0 that was Charles Taylor's first league goal Charles Taylor na no bo nipa Hindia 2 in a year Sunyan Coronation Park elsewhere Accra Sports Stadium na has su Buna half opposition has beat a year Breku Masna one day, Lawrence Ejatete scored. And we also Kotoko 2-0, day 12 for Bruno. Has a one goal, even though it's a 1-1, but I one goal has in Yaye. It's also one say, referee no so dey no free Eastern region. William Agbevi from Suhum. This time, referee free Eastern region. In the person of Prince Intiamwa, our mathematics teacher, the former SHS, St. Francis Senior High Technical, Achim Oda, Nikromi Achim Oda Wabo, and ya on the 25th February 1994, 30 years, and Wadi, and Obabedi Samachno. Last year, referee no dia Reginald Amwa, no so Eastern region base, and I could go say 2-0. Since 1991, tie date 12 May 1991, Angola Beshit matcha, Ezekiel Alamu's 52nd minute goal. Enough mahasa. Referee now odi no free bunahafo in the shape of Solomon Yamwa. 1992, yenya home and away basis in Eastern region referees and a dear AK Yi Adusa Edi Wonkrai. Kumase EF Okwampa from Kofodia. What did you know about referees from Eastern region? Edi Kotwane has to Kumase Kwa Makuma Kutubako 11.
Okay.
11 occasions, William Yimano Daligaba. Munina involved. 11 Kotoko. Ashe has 2005. Referee John Atikese. And last league game on boy Reginald Amwa Ebedie.
Right.
Has Ashe Kotoko 4. And 5 drawn games. 11 outings since 1991. Eastern region based referee. Appointed. So say Eastern region based referee bar has one upper hand. But say 13.
Also 11 games.
11 matches. And I host you Kumasia. Eastern region referees and a dear. Once I brought from the tell you, I'm going to say Matt Atkinson, any match, and maybe a Man United, and we need a Lusuda.
Maybe who say 11 games, you know. What's that of okay, minimum 5?
Yeah, since 91. Has a really 4.
We need 4. And then
91. Kotoko winning 2. 2005. First half. Now a year 3 goals about. So okay.
Nature say,
now Malik technical director.
Nature say, Eastern referee, the game no.
Yeah.
Ayana has what advantage.
Advantage will say okay. And a mad day 13. Kumase.
Okay.
Mad day 13. Yeah. So I say you do sad and Canadian referee. Mad day 13 so. And ya Kotoko has Asha Kotoko da. Baby almost here be has intimate Kotoko.
See advantages of Kotoko partner say match day 13.
Yes.
Has in share
da. And say about league match almost here December 14 times. But say Kumasi December host 2 matches 5 occasions. Has Asha 1. Kotoko Asha miensa and a backward draw.
And I say December
Kumasi last year almost here term December.
How many games?
It was 3-2. 5 matches in Oseku.
Kotoko winning 3.
Has Asha 1.
Yeah. Okay.
Kumase
3-1.
Yeah. Sister says Kumase Abukari Gariba scored. So what I say? Okay, Kaba December matches Oseku Munkwano has any advantage. But Ray man Kotoko has what to say. 4. The last time Kotoko has 4 consecutively without even a draw. 1995.
Okay.
Tie date ni mame. 19 February 95 early year no. It was Watara on the Kotoko coach. So uti Watara and the Kotoko coach against House of Folk. And some match no Kotoko has 3-1. Ewo Kumasi.
Okay.
Kotoko Prince Amwako Kranten ya Osechimo scored
3-1.
Sago and Abumuni. Don't you say former player ko has Eshe ba kuma has. Sada no na Kankani. Am performing House of Folk guy ewo Sekrum. And 1995 28 May it was organization of Ghana Club Association.
Yeah.
Omukofa ECOWAS Cup by and then a friend Gakano. The trophy be so. Kotoko has 2-0. E one kind. You born first half 40 minutes, second half 40 minutes. You pass Yana and is botting. Fastest ever Kotoko has go 23 seconds. Fine. And a Prince Amako Kranten at the second go count. Tie date to 20th August 1995. Yeah, the OA Cup is one kind. Has Elusu 3-1 to Kotoko. And 26 November 1995 Kwesi Apia ede ha Kotoko ese has league match in Osekrom 2-1
league mienu
cup games mienu.
Okay.
This time around omabo cup match 2 league matches, 3rd league game beka ho.
It is a way bem one about 3 league games. Unlike first one
and 2 no. Yes. Ena say ye bia Kotoko ebe she has home and away no. Ni next season enya dia has etima she Kotoko da. Hey, irrespective of the venue.
Sisubio.
Me see here bia Kotoko ase has back to back 7. Previous Roma 6. And Oma be the 7th time omu nyansi a league match. Previous 6 matches na Kotoko ne has abo nyina no. Oma bobi won Nkoko COY Park 61. Accra Sports Stadium, Kumasi Sports Stadium. Since Kotoko she has home and away 59 besi no. So she Kotoko has the next league match no has a draw.
Guys,
the last time Kotoko she has home and away 87 no. The next league game Kumasi it was 2-2. Goes no, you see Palasa, Joado, one race. Now we have the fine.
Okay.
So and yetu abano, uti yetu abawie no. Ni week and Kotoko ne asisi akai esiba akope. You heard me. Esiba akope. That was 79 yetu aba 18th June. And a pie 10 candidates and a koy. There was Ibrahim Mahama in the pool. 10 candidates you know. Julia Mofolia chamu nyina ye part. And a Vito party. Proper Front Party, any People's National Party, Hillary Man, pie, omunyina percentage na yepen. So I call runoff. The runoff no call 9 July. And I to abana Vito Usulusu ye and a Hillary Man by 79. Ni week. Na Kotoko ne asino Sekrom league match. So ka George Kennedy. What George Sida? Omune say 2 goals no. And na Johnny get ya yose. What in Gato? Yes, George Jesse. I'm gonna say 2 goals no. And I have John Nketia also take Kabako. Kotoko na say first, and Nketia also take her. And Kotoko sa reply 2-1. Sadano, na ya frani na Kotoko coach. So on that day,
see the only time Yabo game.
Ya week.
Yabo game no. So much no Kotoko share.
Yes. And Unim say yantu aba ema NDC rene ma Kotoko lusu league match da. Say be aye kan aba ni we and the next Kotoko home match Kotoko lusu da. 96.
Won some ya okay kan die.
192 ya tu aba ni abo league we. 96 ya tu aba ni we ya Kotoko match was against the Kotoko 1. Has ko ball draw 1-2. 2000 Kotoko ni breakum Chelsea 1-1. Ya Alexander say Kotoko teka through Francis Kofi has Eshe Oblast 2012 yetuaba Kotoko ne has ACI Kotoko ebo match Kotoko bo winning match no so beating winning 3-1 House of Folk so any Heart of Lions so she has 2-0 ewo Pando so nyame pa yehwe die besi but 15 December has are yet to lose a league match. TNA pa. Another day say. Kotoko abo 4 matches, we lose 2. Yes. I emphasize has a lose 1. Has a lose 1 against Wow Stars 15th. Has a really miensani nyina. Aba 4 matches no. And the only time I has is here Ashanti region team. It was said date. 15 December 1985 against Goldface at that time. Omu debut season. Has a share one kind. So Nye Kumase. Has he says here Ashanti regional opposition side. And that date 15 December. And so a favorite day for Club Kumasi Asante Kotoko.
Okay. BYT. Hajia say
at Kimfesa 98. 2-2. And I return leg no so. I'm da coach no. Obe coach 99. Or Sade Koye. So what I say. So say the first time but Aya papa ni dia de prosper ogum. Ne career was here has 7 league matches. We lose 2, we win 4. And at the Akaya draw. With Kotoko they said Shaban kind 4 no, we win me and draw 1. But wafa bodu sheno. Also Okaya. Any idea? So say
okay.
And then no, and you mama betima koyi. Nti
e ka se jawa obeka sasa wunwie dem se ewrade asebenkre ni ye sorry name for program no sse kwamon ne me mo sanka bi twaso
Anza mi ampa akameka time ago
tie me ye de mre na ye dwuma
nti na meka say me kono
ma ye nkwa monane amanfo be kwa asore wo na wo ye wo bonsam na wo nkwa asore a ma menje last we say free
na say obu nkwa
Shaban ye mon komo me nua bibia e fa ye me kwa monane last we na free
me kan say ndi na yinhia wo baba ara
fantastic
na enye say big game yi keke Premier League no me pese obia na every weekend okohwe bi Sunday yabo game wo baba ara okohwe bi bibia yabo game bi a match day no kohwe but this game is important for both sides so the BYT kan ya between Abubakar Watara Dr. Prosper na Tegum a tough match and I know say Watara on afford this episode lose and na Doctor also the last 5 matches we lose 4 in the Premier League we win 1 we lose game we have 6 matches 5 losses 1 win and you good until a decider at the both coaches and there.
Okay, enti sese ni de Dedru no e wo se ye kwamonane ene